This is not just being a gay.
And this is not just having a tour.
This is Navigator. Welcome everybody in Oslo. And we are here for our very first endorsement, Rabanal
Rabanal
Promotions.
Promotions.
Don't you know that Alan Kay is coming to Oslo?
Yes, I heard about that, and we're going to interview the guy behind the producing of Alan Kay concert.
Which is the
Rabanal
Rabanal Promotions. Let's go. Let's find him inside the House of Representatives. Okay, straight from the House of Representatives, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Winnie Rabanal.
Hi, Arnie.
Hello po,
Hi,
Kuya.
Dexter.
Akala ko doon kayo nanggaling
Hindi,
talaga.
hindi ako galing
Nag-meeting pa po si Kuya sa Prime Minister. Okay, Kuya, speaking of Alan Kay,
Can you tell us more about Alan Kay's concert?
Thank you very much for the press, for the introduction, Arnie and Dexter. Alan Kay is coming to Norway on November 30 para bigyan tayo ng saya, lalo na ngayon na winter time. Nagsisimula na naman yung mahabang dilim. So iniimbitahan po namin kayong lahat na manood ng show ni Alan Kay on November 30 dito sa may Store Sala.
okay, kamusta po? Yung ticket po natin, Kuya, mahal po ba yan?
No, I think it's very affordable. 150 kroner para sa general admission.
150
Yeah, 350 para sa may seat reservation.
or 350 seat reservation.
And VIP, 500 kroner. May seat reservation siya, may photo and autograph signing pa after the show.
Yes.
Okay.
So, Kuya, how about for those who are interested to watch? Where can they contact you?
They can call me sa 4021-3615. That's 4021-3615. Or kung may Facebook sila, search nila yung Rabanal Promotions para makakuha sila ng update. And pwede rin sa website ko, www.rabanalpromotions.no.
Okay, Alan Kay, November 30, Store Salen, and do you have other to promote, Kuya, other concerts?
Yeah, after Alan Kay, susunod naman na dadalhin ko is si Aiza Sigera and Noel Cabangon on April 5, 2014.
Okay, guys, April 5, 2014, Aiza, Sigera, and Noel Cabangon.
Kuya, aside from producing, do you have any business?
Yeah, actually, ang isa pang business ko is nagpo-provide ako ng mga marketing materials lalo na sa mga small and medium-sized businesses. I can provide banners, posters, flyers, calling cards, and even website.
Oh, thank you, Kuya, for having us. But before we're going to end this, anong masasabi mo or ma-advise to those Filipinos who want to be as successful as you?
Ma-advise ko sa mga kababayan ko na kababayan natin na gusto or may pangarap na magsimula ng business dito sa Norway, kailangan ng planning. Number 1 ang planning. And number 2, kailangan focus kayo sa ginagawa nyo. And then number 3, kailangan yung pinaplano nyo yung gagawin ninyo. Number 4, kailangan kayo mismo yung gagawa ng negosyo.
Okay. So, guys, again, that in order for us to be successful, we should plan, we should focus, and we should not go out of plan. And then we should be the one to put action on
Have a personal
touch on what we are doing.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, and we have learned and you have inspired us today, Kuya. And I'm your navigator, Arnie. Remember, always be a blessing to others.
And I'm your navigator, Dexter. Always look your best.
And this is our very first endorsement, Rabanal Promotions here in Navigator. Bye-bye.